Miss Universe Philippines 2025. How's everyone feeling tonight?
Cian, I am ready. Well, I think everybody is ready. Months of sisterhood culminate here and now. And only one will carry the crown for the country and continue the legacy of all beauty queens that came before her. Around 72 Philippine queens who competed at the Miss Universe pageant.
Here we go, Gabby. We are all about to witness this life-changing moment for one of these 6 phenomenal Filipinas. May I have the final results from our official verifier. PWC represented by Mr. Janik Reyes.
Ay na mga bakla! I don't know kung top 3 or the winner. I don't know. So we're gonna see. Kasi ang ginawa nila top 6. So we don't know if there's top 3.
To the sea's eternal dance that gives us the golden South Sea pearl, a radiant miracle of nature, crowning the most beautiful woman, sharing with the world the Philippines' generous spirit and treasure, born of sun, sea, and poetic beauty. Tell us, Cian, who will wear the Jewel Mer crown?
We will find out right now. Molarina, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
I am ready!
This is it.
Ayan ang aking winner! Ayan! Laguna! Sino ang Laguna?
Miss Surge, Ambassador for Bingo Plus, Ambassador for Pina, Ambassador for Gel Life, Ambassador for New Moon, and the Ambassador for Soen. Here we go. Should we get started?
Do it, Cian.
Let's go.
Do it.
The moment we have all been waiting for. It all ends and begins right here. One of the 6 ladies' destiny is about to be fulfilled. She will be our new queen, and the name I will call is our new Miss Universe Philippines.
Wow! There is no...
Everyone ready?
I told you guys, there is no top 3.
Everyone ready?
So top 6, then winner of derecho,
Miss
direct.
Universe Philippines 2025 is...
Oh my God! Laguna, 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 ayan. Laguna. Laguna, Laguna. So, iniba nila day ang process, day. Walang top 3, diretso. Top 6, diretso sa Miss Philippines. Miss Universe Philippines. Laguna.
The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is...
Laguna! Laguna!
Quezon Province!
What? Quezon Province.
Congratulations!
Ate siya manalo.
You are Miss Universe 2025!
Let us all welcome our new Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Siya na. Ibinigay na nila mga day.
Ladies, this is Cian Lim. It has been both a privilege and a pleasure to be
Kasi
here.
ilang beses na siyang sumali dahil sa Miss Universe. Hindi ko lang pang ilang na to. So, binigay na nila.
The men and women of the Miss Universe Philippines organization on the success of tonight's coronation. Take care, everybody. I'm Gabby Garcia.
And I'm Tim Yap. And I'm Tim Yap. Thank you to everyone who came here tonight to witness another iconic crowning moment. And to those watching, enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much to all the friends, the patrons, and sponsors of Miss Universe Philippines. You make each year a beautiful one. Once again, this has been Erica Christensen Lee. Good night, everybody!
Good night, Universe!
Congratulations, Akita Manalo!
day. There's no top 3, only top 6, then Miss Universe Philippines already. OMG, so they change it. Hindi tayo nanalo mga day. Ayan. So, ayan, good night na lang sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And don't forget to like and share. And of course, maki-follow ang ating account. Thank you for watching. Love ya.